Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't open JPG files on Windows. First method is click Stat, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Photos. Click Advanced Options, Repair, and then Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Default Apps. Type .jpeg, change to Paint. Type .jpg, change to Paint. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.